mountain
some cool feet.
bright and early, snowboarding up there. And how were the snow conditions
Oh my
this morning?
gosh, 20 inches at Meadows. I think they had 15 inches at Timberline. I was at Meadows, and it was just amazing. I got to see some sunshine, soft snow. You know, it's the best part. When you fall on that, it doesn't hurt.
It doesn't
right?
hurt, yeah.
No.
We're still trying to get a little more snow for the mountains, but we are starting to see it switch over and mix in with some rain because we have the system moving in that is tapping into some deep moisture, and it's coming from a warmer place. So a warm front moving through right now has kept us wet for most of the evening, and we'll continue to see rain on and off through the overnight hours, and it'll be a little breezy too. East winds right now at 15 miles an hour, and we'll occasionally see some gusts between 25 and 30, especially for the east side of town back towards the gorge. Right now it feels like 38 with that wind. Rain total so far since midnight last night, not too much for the I-5 area and for the valley. We've picked up 1/10 of an inch, maybe a little bit more than that. And we'll try to add maybe another 1/10 of an inch as we head through the overnight hours for valley locations. But we have seen those totals go up from places like Tillamook up near Astoria, over 1/2 an inch already. And those are going to be the same locations that are going to get hit hardest tomorrow as this front stalls over northwestern portions of Oregon and up into southwest Washington, mainly affecting coastal areas back through the Coast Range. So we'll be just on the fringe of that for the valley. So tonight, down to 43 degrees, a very mild evening, mostly cloudy, and again a little breezy at times, and we'll continue to see rain on and off through the overnight hours, but it does start to move out by the time we get into tomorrow morning. So warm fronts lifting right now. We have the cold front just back off to the west. That slides through as we go through tomorrow night, and that's what's going to bring in more of those heavy showers, and that's going to bring us the heavier rain for the metro area and the valley, but again holding off until tomorrow night, most of it. So 7 a.m. in the morning, we may have a few lingering showers going on, but back across northwestern portions of Oregon, southwest Washington, we're continuing to see those showers. And then watch what happens in the afternoon. Same areas getting hit, and look how close that front's getting to us. So west siders likely seeing a better chance to get some showers going. I still think we'll find a decent amount of dry time, but there will be that occasional shower that rolls through. By the time we get into tomorrow evening, that front starts to make progress, and it starts to sweep through the metro area and the valley, and this is where we could see anywhere from 1/2 an inch to maybe a little bit more than that for places across the metro and the valley overnight tomorrow night. It does weaken as it moves through, but we're still tapping into some heavy rain there. 7 a.m. on Friday, and that front is moving on out. We'll see the snow levels go back down, so we're talking snow and mountain rain at some of the lower elevations, and then by the time we get into Friday evening, things are clearing out nicely, and we gear up for yet another system. And that's going to arrive on Saturday to bring in a few showers early Saturday morning, but Saturday afternoon, just looking at the occasional shower here and there, does not look too wet for us. I think we'll get more mountain snow going because we'll tap into some colder air. And then Sunday looks even drier, so things do calm down a little bit for us for the weekend. So your breakdown tomorrow, 47 in the morning, showers will be around, and then we'll have showers on and off as we go through the day, finding quite a bit of dry time, especially the farther east you go. Highs in the low 50s. It'll be mild. Meanwhile, a live view from Mount Hood Meadows, and you can see we're trying to keep that snow going, but it is a wet snow, and temperatures are now above freezing, right at 33 degrees. And we'll stay in the mid-30s tomorrow, so that means we're going to have that potential for that rain-snow mix as snow levels continue to go up. Same thing for Ski Bowl, too. Thankfully, it looks like a lot of the moisture stays west of there. For the coast, highs in the 50s tomorrow, wet and breezy tonight and tomorrow, and we're talking significant totals for the northwestern coastline. I-5 highs in the low to mid-50s, showers mainly late tomorrow. Central and eastern Oregon, highs in the 30s as you head east, but right up against central Oregon, low 50s, and just a chance for a few showers to make their way east of the Cascades. It really dries up east of the mountains here. And then for the gorge, rain at times wetter overnight. Cascade showers continue to develop, and again, mainly in the form of rain as we go through tomorrow. But it does look better Friday. Friday we'll be off to a wet start. We dry things out. We'll see on and off showers on Saturday. Sunday looks a little drier, 47. Monday looks pretty dry too, mostly cloudy, upper 40s, and then turning wetter again next Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll try to find some dry time tomorrow. But if you head northwest of here, you're going to be running into some soaking rain, so we may see some problems with that.
So enjoy the dry times when you can find them.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kristen.
Thank you.